really exciting. You wouldn't know how long me I wait for this. Me pray and me fast lose weight for this. All of who make it possible, me thank you for this. You see, when the concert done, we are going to celebrate this.
Renee Lester's excitement matches her Clifton St. Andrew neighbors' reaction to finally getting letters of possession for their properties. The residents of the former sugar workers' barracks have for years craved former land ownership, and now they have it, thanks to government's commitment to the social inclusion of all Jamaicans.
We are empowering our people as registered landowners, owners of assets with which they can improve their lives.
We have moved on a program to regularize Clifton. In doing so, we engage surveyors and planners, urban planners, who we have contracted to do what we call a as-built development. In other words, because the area have substantial housing structure, we have to plan over those and around those structures.
Approximately 300 residents of the St. Catherine community are now proud landowners. Another 200 should get their titles by year end. But it doesn't stop there for Clifton. Like other communities benefiting from government's community regularization and development program, Clifton is being transformed from a squatter settlement to one with major infrastructure. Under the program run by the Sugar Company of Jamaica Holdings, the old estate houses for sugar workers will be upgraded. Amenities including a proper sewage treatment plant and early childhood institution with an aftercare facility are also being built.
We want that despite your origin, despite your background, you are to be living somewhere which is safe and comfortable. The plan will see increase in road and access. It will see access to utilities, light, water, and we now know the importance of internet services to lives in community.
While the residents will obtain the land free of cost, they are being asked to pay for the necessary infrastructure.
Through the various projects being implemented through the Sugar Transformation Unit of the Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries, we are able to invest not only in the physical infrastructure of designated communities, but also in the lives of the people who reside in those communities.
Is that it's not just about housing. It's about building a sustainable economy. So we want the commercial activity to be there. We want the training activity to be there. We want to build a holistic community.
My father, my grandmother, my uncle, my cousins have worked all their lives in this sugar industry and lived right around here in this community. During most of the years, they never dreamt that they would own the land they lived and worked on.
Clifton St. Catherine is not the only community being transformed under the Sugar Company of Jamaica Holdings Community Regularization Program. It's also being carried out in Clarendon, Westmoreland, Trelawney, and St. Thomas. The program is targeting 30,000 persons living in more than 80 sugar-dependent communities. The Sugar Company of Jamaica Holdings, building communities like Clifton and transforming people's lives through land ownership. The government of Jamaica, putting land ownership in the hands of the disadvantaged.